Good morning. This is my OBX sunrise shave, guys. It's just a beautiful place to be. Because it's early and because I'm up here, not want to disturb the serenity. This is gonna be an ASMR type shave. So I shaved yesterday. I don't need to go crazy today. But I figured with a view like this, I had to make another video. So I'm here. Let me turn this slightly. I won't do that. Okay. Today I'm going to be shaving with one of my favorites, and it's new to me, this brand, but it's Razor Rock's The Dead Sea. I think it's sort of appropriate contrast to the beautiful alive sea we have behind us, the Dead Sea. Oh, just a very nice, subtle scent here. Picked this up at Pasteur Pharmacy in New York City. The Dead Sea Companion Aftershave. I'm gonna be shaving with my Average Guy, beautiful FM brush, large not silver tipped badger, synthetic, premium brush. Again, it's got a nice hefty seamless handle, black acrylic, fits good in the hand, nice hefty knot, and again, the Average Guy. We've got my favorite razor of all time. This is the LEAF Thorn, single edge blade, so it uses half of a DE that you split. This is in a beautiful rose gold that goes beautifully with the sunrise. All right, let's get right into it. So the beauty in a synthetic knot is that you're not harming an animal, is that it feels and looks like badger, performs like badger, but it's cleaner, it's easier to clean, keep clean, and you don't have to wet soak it. So I'm gonna dip right into some water. Have the knot wet, and I'm going to go right into this tin of beautiful soap here, guys, and I'm going to stay in this tin for about 10 to 15 seconds, give or take. Again, it's got this big healthy knot, as you can see, and you got soap going all over the place. I apologize to the seagulls who might think that this is a treat. It's only going to be a treat for me and you, not for them. So now I have a fair amount of product on there. I'm going to come in and wet the face. And I'll just do a face lather, guys. Look at that. Oh yeah, right away. Razor Rock soaps perform so well. So if you're a newbie wet shaver, and you're looking for a soap not only that's gonna help protect you, but it's gonna be easy to lather and build some nice foam. Look at this. Few swirls in that tin, and this awesome brush, guys. Right? Beautiful brush. Look at the lather this is creating. Oh, it's a nice brisk morning. It's probably 50 degrees. Look at that. The FM Brush Company pioneers in the synthetic category make a delicious shaving brush. Delicious. All right, look at all that cream. All right, we're gonna go with our Thorn. Now it's similar to a double edge, but it's kind of made with that angle that you need. All right, but we're gonna approach the face. We're gonna shave down with the hair on my face. And I'm only dealing with a day's worth of growth, so as you can see, easy goes. Very, very mild. Again, so if you're new to wet shaving, this is a razor you might want to pick up. Nice. Got a slim form factor so you can get up in under the nooks and crannies. It's got a very mild feel, so you feel confident. And you have lots of control. Oh, nice, guys. It's like I'm not even feeling it. First pass in the books, guys. I'm going to apply a little bit more water to the face. I'm going to go back to that knot. And we're going to go with the second lather. For the second pass. You see, I still have all that built up cream on this knot. Again, it's a nice hefty knot, guys. Work that lather in. If you want to build more lather, you add a little bit more water. But I'm feeling good with this. We'll go for the second pass, which is going to be a cross grain pass. Oh yeah. Now with the cross grain pass, I'm feeling that blade a little bit more. It's a better angle for this. Oh, nice. Look how easy that comes off. Yesterday I shaved right on the beach. And I think it was a little warmer yesterday. Or maybe I'm higher up in the wind right now. Now the cross grain is really where you want to take care of under your nose, especially with the slightness of this razor. You want to take your time, guys. Take your time. bit more water now. And we'll go with the third and final pass. And for the third and final pass, I'm going to be going against grain. And I'm also going to shut up and let you hear the natural sounds, the sounds of the razor, the sounds of the beauty of the shave. All right, so last pass against grain. I'm going to be quiet. Sun's just come up. Standing next to the one I love, having a beautiful shave. You can't get much better than that. All right. She's in awe of the beauty of the sunrise. She could care less about me and my shave. Right, girl? I'm orange. All right. Now we're gonna go with the Dead Sea aftershave splash. There we go. Hold that, please. Thank you, Mama. All right, here we go. And there we go. Thank you. And that's one shave I will never forget. Beautiful shave, guys. Again, the FM brush, the average guy, branded, large knot. Average guy tested, average guy approved. This is a wonderful product, guys. Let me know if you want one. The Dead Sea by Razor Rock. You can get this right on the Pasteur Pharmacy. It's PasteurShaving.com's website. And most of these products, it's the wet shaving paradise in New York City. If you're in New York, guys, or anywhere near it, you got to get into Pasteur Shaving. Average guy tested, average guy approved. The Dead Sea aftershave splash, average guy tested and approved. And last but certainly not least, guys, the Thorn from the fine folks at LEAF, Adam and Adam, great people. And I just love working and buying products from people that are just good people. Who wants to work with people that aren't good? Average guy tested, average guy approved. Guys, get out, enjoy your day, because I'm certainly going to get out, drive on the beach today. Let's hope I don't get stuck. And just enjoy. As always, I'll see you next time. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. Now, roll the music.